Everyone, this is Neha Sharma once again with you. Today in this session we are going to cover part number 6 of adjectives and degrees of comparison. So dear kids, as you remember that in part number 4 and part number 5 we started degrees of comparison where we learnt 3 formulas to transform the sentences from positive to superlative, superlative to comparative. So this is rule number 4 today we are going to discuss. Total we have to do 6 rules and here we are trying to cover all 6. So dear kids, let's see what is this rule number 6. As we are doing transformation of sentences, so today we have to discuss superlative to positive degree, that how we have to change a sentence which is having a superlative degree, right, given to you, and that you have to change into positive degree. So we learned first 3 formulas for this transformation. This is the fourth one, and the formula says here that no other, okay, no other plus or any other, no other or any other, you can take any one option, no other or any other plus noun plus helping verb plus as plus positive degree, and once again as we learned the pattern where we have as and as or so and that, so and that, so that is what positive degree we have to use there. So as we have to change here superlative to positive, we have to change the same thing. It is what? No other or any other, then noun, because we are having 2 nouns here. So noun, first noun and then helping verb, then as, then positive degree, then once again as, and then second noun. So let's understand this with the help of examples. First example I have written here, June is the hottest month of the year. So June is the hottest month of the year. Let's talk about what we are talking about. Like June is the hottest month, means no other or not any other month is as hot as what? June, right? So June is the hottest month. So we are comparing this June, because another name is not given here, right? Like it is not given that January is the coldest or something. It is not being compared to the name of the month, but here it is understood that any other month or no other month is as hot as June. Okay, so we have to change that. So June is the hottest month. Now we have to check the degree here, that is what? Superlative degree, the hottest, right, month of the year. So the answer will be, means no other option, because that I have told you earlier that June is only one month which is given here. So that's why we are using here no other and then month, because noun is which one? Month here, right? Only one noun is given. So that's why to make the comparison we are using here no other or any other. Okay, no other month in the year, then we have to go, this we have done, no other, then noun, then helping verb also. So helping verb is which one here? Is, right? So here we have used the same helping verb is, and then what is the as? So as we are doing, and the positive degree of this hottest. So what is the positive degree of hottest? That is hot. So we have used that hot here, right? And then as, and then noun. So as we have written here, and the noun. Which noun? June we are talking about here. So it is quite easy. Let's speak with me how to change superlative to positive. What is the formula? It is no other and or any other plus noun plus helping verb plus as plus positive degree plus as, and then once again the second noun, right? Things will be very easy for you when you will just see them regularly, right? If you will just write down in your notebooks and just keep them close, so you cannot remind, you cannot revise, you cannot learn at the time when we have to solve the exercise. But when you will keep on practicing, keep on watching, keep on learning, so it will be very easy for you, right? Next question is given to you. Ashu is the most beautiful girl in the class. Now I am asking you which degree is being used here, or which the sentence is having which degree. So we can see by with the help of this The most beautiful means most is what? Beautiful. Most is what? Superlative degree of beautiful. So most beautiful is superlative degree of beautiful. So that means this is superlative degree, and the instruction is given to you that you have to use here what? Positive degree. What is the formula? This one, right? So by this we have to do, and first we have to talk about two nouns which are being compared. It is Ashu, right? So Ashu is the most beautiful girl in the classroom. It means no other girl is as beautiful as Ashu. So this we have to do here, right? Because the name of the second girl is not given, because it is what? Superlative. Clear? So how we have to change it? Here we will do no other girl then is as beautiful as Ashu, and in the classroom you may write down here. Okay, or if you will write down this phrase in the classroom here, no other girl in the classroom, so that will also do. But if you are writing that in the end, so that is also right. But you have to just concentrate on the main formula, that is what? No other, then as and as pattern, then positive degree, within that as, and then you have to write down second noun. So let's talk about the third one. My mother is the most popular teacher in the city, right? So what is that? You are talking about my mother, and she is the best teacher, means you want to say here. So she is the most popular teacher. You have used here the sentence, right? So the my mother is the most popular teacher in the city. So what we will do? No other. Now the noun used for this mother is, that is teacher. No other teacher. What is the helping verb? Is, right? And after is, what you have to do? As plus positive degree. So is as. Now most popular, what is the positive degree of most popular? That is popular. Is as popular as. Now the noun which is being talked about here, that is my mother. So here you will write down my mother, right? It is very easy actually. Only what you have to do, you have to learn the formulas, okay? And you should know that which degree is being used in the sentence. So just take the screenshot of this, superlative to positive. This is the formula given to you. Please speak once again. No other or any other or noun. This any other or no other, you can choose any one, okay? According to the noun given to you, you can choose any one. So no other or any other, or plus noun plus helping verb plus as plus positive degree plus as again, and then noun, okay? So just take the screenshot of this, note down these sentences, and then we will discuss rule number 5 and 6. Now let's understand rule number 5. So here we have to transform comparative degree to superlative degree, and then we have to change the sentence. So comparative degree is what? When we have to make comparison between two nouns, and superlative is what? When we have to talk about the best out of many, right? Means more than two. So like we did in the starting in this diagram. So here when we have to change this comparative to superlative degree, so again we have to learn one formula, and the formula says that it is what we have to use: noun plus helping verb plus the plus superlative degree plus whatever the rest part of the sentence that then you can add here, right? So it is the easiest one: noun plus helping verb plus the and then superlative degree. Now as we have to change comparative to superlative degree, so the question will be in comparative form, comparative degree. So let's talk about the first one. Rahul is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. So first we have to understand that how this sentence is having comparative degree, right? So Rahul is being compared to whom? Rahul is being compared to any other boy, right? So this is what comparison between two things is being done. Moreover, here more intelligent, which is comparative degree, that is being used, and with that than is the word which we have to use in comparative degree only. So that word is also given here, right? So it is confirmed that the sentence which is given to us for the transformation, that is comparative, that is having comparative degree. Clear? Now we have to change that into superlative. So the formula is noun plus helping verb plus the and then superlative degree. So we have to pick whom? Rahul here. So Rahul is what? Noun, right? Then helping verb is what? Is here. So same is we have done here also. Then we have to do the superlative, the plus superlative degree. So here the, and what is the superlative degree of intelligent? That is most intelligent boy in the class. Okay, so most intelligent boy in the class, that boy in the class, that is the rest part of the sentence which we have added here, right? So like this we have to change the transformation, do the transformation. Next one is Mohini is taller than any other girl in the colony. So let's find out first, let's confirm that sentence is having comparative degree or not. So Mohini and any other girl, right? So here comparison is being done. See, it is singular here, girl, right? So means we are talking about one girl here and Mohini. So total we have two nouns here. And then taller, taller is what? That is comparative degree, and the word which is used here, that is what? Than, right? Which is used for the comparative degrees. So now what you will do, Mohini is taller than any other girl in the colony. It means Mohini is the tallest girl in the colony. So you have to write down that only. So Mohini, that is noun, then helping verb, that is, then the, and what is the superlative degree of taller? That is tallest, right? So tallest girl in the colony, right? So this is the answer. Next is she is more curious student of the school. So she is more curious student of the school. So what is there? What is the answer? She is the most curious, it's CURIOUS, student of the school, right? So this was what we learned here with the help of this formula, that how to make change in comparative to superlative degrees. Okay, so please take the screenshot, note down the formula, the easiest one, and write down the examples in your notebook. Now let's talk about last formula of this transformation of sentences with the help of degrees of adjectives. So it says superlative to comparative. Okay, so this is the change when the superlative degree will be given to you in the sentence, and you have to do the change according to the comparative degree or by using comparative degree. So let's understand first what is the formula for that. So formula says here noun plus helping verb plus comparative degree and then any other plus noun. So what is it? Noun plus helping verb plus comparative degree plus then plus any other and then noun. Okay, let's understand this with the help of example. So you will be given superlative, the sentence which is having superlative degree. Mohit is the tallest boy in the colony. So yes, this is the tallest boy here. So that is confirmed that superlative degree is being used here. Now this superlative degree you have to change into comparative degree, but you cannot do it like this. Mohit is taller boy, Okay, so you cannot do. The formula says it is noun plus helping verb. So what is the noun here? Mohit. So Mohit, we have done that, and then after that is the helping verb, which we are using here. Now comparative degree of the tallest, it is what? Taller. Okay, without the, so taller. Then we have to do than, THAN, any other boy, because Mohit is what? Boy. So another noun is what here? Boy. So that's why we have done boy here, is that is what? Another noun in the colony. That is the remaining part of the sentence which we have done as it is. So the transformed sentence is what? Mohit is taller than any other boy in the colony, right? So this is what we have to do. When we talk about question number 2, Kanika is the most gorgeous girl in our family. So what we will do? Kanika, right? So Kanika is, then we have to do then we have to use comparative degree. So most gorgeous, what is that? More gorgeous, right? Kanika is more gorgeous than, what we have to do? Any other, right? Any other. Then we have to use noun. So noun is what? Another girl. So that we have done in our family. So this is the rest part of the sentence which we have used to complete the sentence. So answer is Kanika is more gorgeous than any other girl in our family. Got it? So according to the formula we have changed. Next is question number 3. Shyam is the most innocent child in the team. So the most intelligent, that means superlative degree is being used, which you have to change into comparative degree. We are talking about Shyam here, right? And the second one is what? Any other child. So what you will do here? Shyam, then helping verb, that is. After that we have to use than, the comparative degree. Shyam is most innocent is given. So what is that? More innocent. Comparative degree is more innocent, right? Shyam is more innocent. Then you will do than. Now the second noun is what? Any other. And noun is what here? That is child of this team, right? So the answer is Shyam is more innocent than any other child of this team. Next, last question of the exercise, and this topic is Mr. Ram is the bravest soldier of this battalion. So what you will do here? Mr. Ram, and the bravest is the superlative degree. So what you will do? Mr. Ram, then helping verb, then comparative degree of bravest. What is that? Braver. Okay, after that you have to use then. After then you have to use any other. Then you have to talk about the noun. So noun used, second one is what? Soldier. In this battalion, right? So like this we have changed the sentence. Mr. Ram is braver than any other soldier in this battalion. So dear kids, this was your transformation of sentences by using degrees of comparison of adjectives. I hope you understood all these 6 rules. So please learn all 6 rules to make your grammar more attractive and beautiful and accurate, right? So please take the screenshot of this rule number 6, note down with examples and try to solve the exercises given in your grammar book. In the next video, we will meet with the solutions of the exercises of this chapter number 3, adjectives and the degrees of comparison. Till then, please learn all the rules and all the kinds of adjectives. With that, you have to learn also what is the difference between pronouns and adjective, means what is the position difference, right? And that will help you to solve the next chapter, which is based on pronouns too. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take the screenshot and note it down.